Need to do more research on this one to find out more about the artist. This is a very vibrant lithograph. The fun imagery of the cat and this yellow bird. I believe this is from January of '79, possibly by Marcella. We'll dig deeper in that and then have that information in the listing. So let's just use this video for now as an opportunity to take a look at it in its vibrant, beautiful color. Turn it around real quick. Quick look at the back. You can just get the frame. And a sticker from the gallery. There we go.